I won second place in a difficult art competition. Can I win first place against 13,000 people? Or will I end up in the last place this time? The challenge was announced on 6th of April and the deadline is 14th April. 8 days for art competition. But no, 3 days. Because 6 to 11 was Ramadan and I couldn't start the challenge. And now I'm left behind with only 3 days to deadline. We have to draw this artwork of Madara Uchiha. Look at the complexity of pose and coloring of Susanoo.
Mama said you're meant to burn as bright.
I started sketching the pose of Madara
as a
Uchiha.
star among the midnight sky. All the pressure blinded me, but now I see I'm no different from the rest. You said I'd fly away, but my walls have kept me down. Now I'm lost and I'm afraid, and I'm close to hit the ground. You said I'd fly away.
Allahu Akbar. This is very hard. I'm struggling with the proportions and head. No matter how many times I erase and redraw it, I couldn't draw it. One day is over and I have made zero progress. Nothing is going as planned. I want to quit.
Wake up to reality. Nothing ever goes as planned in this accursed world. The longer you live, the more you will realize that the only things that truly exist in this reality are merely pain, suffering, and futility. Listen, everywhere you look in this world, wherever there is light, there will always be shadows to be found as well. As long as there is a concept of victors, the vanquished will also exist. A world of only victors. I will create such a world. I am the ghost of the Uchiha.
Three tips on sketching that you probably don't know. And the third one is a secret trick that nobody is talking about. Don't draw. When something is not working, don't go hard on yourself. Instead, take a break and come back with fresh eyes to spot the mistakes and redraw. Right proportions. What is the mistake you see in this early sketch? The head is too big for its body, which means it looks like which makes it look like cartoon. This is why it's important to draw proportions right. First, start by drawing simple shapes and the skeleton if you're drawing any character. Now, it looks much better with right proportions. Mirror is your brother. No, not this mirror. In digital art, to find the mistakes in our drawings, we just mirror the canvas by simply clicking M on keyword. Also, if you want to know my digital drawing process, check out my free course, link is in the description. Now, to do it traditionally, take a picture of your drawing and go to edit and mirror. Voila! Now you can see the mistakes in your drawing. Hey creative souls, at this point you must have realized that I give tips on art in an entertaining way. So hit the subscribe button now. I'm left with only 3 hours for coloring. It's very little time and I'm not good at coloring with markers. Alcohol markers bleed. This means if you're coloring, some ink will bleed onto the back of the paper. So please use something at the bottom of the artwork. My phone storage became full, so I couldn't record the entire coloring process. Before revealing the final drawing, please keep in mind that I am not great at traditional coloring. Also, I had no time for adding details. I submitted the drawing at the last minute. Now, enjoy the reveal. No, there's nothing wrong with the speakers.